This week in CQI, we are learning multiplying decimals. How is standard algorithm related to expanded form, or box?
So how could we multiply these two numbers using box method? Here I have my expanded form that we just did, and I'm going to draw a box for how many digits I have in each factor. In my first factor, I have 1 and 2/10. I'm going to label the top 1 and 2/10. If it helps you, you can write it as a fraction. On the left side, I'm going to label my box as 3 and 4/10, or 4/10, if it helps you. Now I'm going to multiply using expanded form. In my first box, I'm going to multiply 3 times 1, which would give me the partial product of 3. Here I'm going to multiply 3 times 2/10, which would give me the partial product of 6/10, or 6/10. Here I'm going to multiply 4/10 and 1, which would give me 4/10, or 4/10. In my last box, I'm going to multiply 2/10 times 4/10, or as fractions, which would give me 8/100, or 8/100. Now I can take my partial products and add them together. So I would take 3 6/10, always lining up place value, 4/10, and 8/100. You can place zeros to help you. This would give me 8, 10, 4, giving us the product of 4 and 8/100. All right, let's try 3 and 4/10 times 2 and 3/10 using the box method. I'm going to take my box and make enough spots for each of my digits. I'm going to label with my first factor 3 and 4/10. So remember, you can always use fractions to help you. I'm going to label my next factor 2 and 3/10, fractions to help you. And I'm going to fill in my box. Here, 2 times 3 would give me 6. 2 times 4/10 would give me 8/10. Here, 3 times 3/10 would give me 9/10. And 3/10 times 4/10 would give me 12/100. I now have my partial products. I can add them together. 6, lining up place value, plus 8/10 plus 9/10 plus 12/100. Decimals to help it make it easier. Zeros, I'm sorry. 2, 18. So our product would be 7 and 8/200. All right, now you try 4 and 1/10 times 3 and 6/10. You make enough spaces for your digits. First factor, 4 1/10. Your next factor, 3 6/10. Multiply this using the box method. All right, now are these your partial products? If so, you'll take your partial products, you'll add your partial products, 12 3/10, 2 and 4/10, and 6/100, and you will add them together. For a product of 14 and 7/600. All right, you try these 4 on your own.